Join me as I dive deep into the world of FNGR stock to see if it's really about to explode. Can I predict its next big move? FNGR stock has been buzzing lately, and for good reason. As a cutting-edge company in the tech industry, its innovative solutions have captured the attention of many investors. With a strong focus on AI and machine learning, FNGR is definitely a stock to watch. So, what's behind the hype, and should you be jumping on the bandwagon? One major concern that could hold FNGR stock back is market volatility. We've seen it time and time again. A hot stock takes off, only to come crashing down due to unpredictable market swings. FNGR's focus on emerging tech means it's especially vulnerable to these fluctuations. What if the market takes a downturn, and investors start to panic? That could seriously impact FNGR's growth. Another hurdle FNGR faces is competition. The tech industry is notoriously cutthroat, with new players entering the scene every day. If FNGR can't stay ahead of the curve, it risks being left in the dust. The company's innovative solutions are impressive, but can they keep up with the pace of the market? That's the million-dollar question. FNGR also needs to navigate regulatory challenges. As governments around the world start to take a closer look at big tech, FNGR might find itself in the crosshairs. Any missteps could lead to serious consequences, including hefty fines and reputational damage. That's a lot of risk for investors to take on. Let's take a look at the latest financial reports. FNGR's recent earnings call showed some promising signs, with revenue growth exceeding expectations. However, some analysts are sounding the alarm about increasing expenses. It seems FNGR is investing heavily in R&D, which could pay off in the long run, but it's a risk nonetheless. Expert opinions are mixed, with some predicting a significant breakout and others advising caution. The stock's current valuation seems reasonable, but it's hard to ignore the potential for growth. What if FNGR's innovative solutions start to gain serious traction? That could lead to a major surge in stock price. Recent news has also been favorable, with several major partnerships announced in the past quarter. These deals have the potential to drive significant revenue growth and expand FNGR's reach into new markets. If these partnerships pay off, we could see FNGR's stock price skyrocket. So, what's the most compelling evidence that FNGR stock is on the verge of a significant breakout? One indicator is the company's technical analysis. Charts are showing a bullish trend, with the stock price breaking through key resistance levels. This could be a sign that FNGR is poised for a major move. Another indicator is the sentiment among retail investors. Online forums and social media are abuzz with excitement about FNGR stock. When individual investors start to get enthusiastic, it can create a snowball effect that drives the stock price even higher. The overall market conditions also look favorable for FNGR. The tech industry is experiencing a resurgence, with many stocks seeing significant gains. If this trend continues, FNGR could be well positioned to benefit. In terms of prediction, it's difficult to say for certain what FNGR's next move will be. However, based on the evidence, it seems like the stock is due for a significant breakout. Whether that happens tomorrow or next month is anyone's guess. To recap, we've covered the potential for FNGR stock to explode, as well as the factors that could hold it back. From market volatility to regulatory challenges, there are risks to consider. However, with a strong focus on innovation and a favorable market trend, FNGR looks like a stock worth watching. So, what do you think about FNGR stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more investment insights, check out our video on the top tech stocks to watch in the next quarter. Thanks for tuning in.